You are welcome to Remit Trade Academy. In today's video, I'll be looking at the one-day chart and have divergence right here on the 4-hour, on BTC, and also on ETH right here. All of these and more in today's video. Watch this video to the end. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this. Check the channel for other educational content, and don't forget to leave a like and share this video on the 1 week chart BTC USDT. If you look at this divergence, we've not really seen anything right here. Market will still going to move to the upside. I will see the RSI begin to move to the upward direction, approaching this very overbought condition. So I am still expecting the market on the 1 week charts to still move to the upside, while we see the RSI begin to move upward as well in the market. And then, like I said in my previous video, that the market may not just shoot up to this very level. We may see some movement to the downside, but I am very sure this very divergence is going to play out, and it's going to take weeks and months for this very move to occur right here on the chart, on the 1 week chart. And on the 1 day chart right here, we see this very area of resistance playing out right now at this very area. And if you look at the RSI, we've seen the RSI enter into overbought condition right at this very point. And if you look at it very well, the market enter into overbought condition very well to this very area. So expect the market to have some level of cool off to the downside before a move to the upside again. So anytime the market move sharply to the upside, let's say for example market just moves sharply without any cool off, that also indicates that market can also drop back right down, and that is not a healthy trend. So a healthy trend always indicates that the market will move and then come back down, move again, come back down, and then continue like that in that formation. So right here, what I am expecting is the market to cool off. This cool off could be in form of a sideways price action, or you could see the market come back right down to the level of 19k at this very point, because this very area there is a lot of resistance and support right here. So this cool off I am talking about right now could be come back into this very level, or market could continue back down into this very level of 18.4k. But it's not necessary that the market is coming back down to this very level of support. Market cool off always give the market stability for the next move to the upside, and that is a nice price action in form of an uptrend in the markets. And if you look at this very area on the RSI at this very point, as we see the cool off right here come back right down, the RSI as well will come back into the neutral level at this very area before the next move to the upside, or even come back into oversold condition. So this is what I am paying attention to on the 1 day chart. BTC USDT market should come back down into the 19k level and the 18k level, as the case may be. And also on the 4-hour chart here, sorry I did not inform you guys about this very divergence earlier because of my busy schedule. And right here, this is a very powerful divergence. You begin to see this market right on the RSI right here begin to come back down, while the market was moving up sluggishly with a lot of spike on the candle wicks. So right at this point, this divergence is a bearish divergence. That means a reduced bullish momentum to the upside, as we see around this very area. And then if you look at the RSI was coming back down from the overbought condition to the downside, and right now market is at this neutral level. And what that means is the market is still going to move back to the downside in form of a correction for this very long move to the upside. So expect the market to still move back to the downside. On average, technically, bullish or bearish divergence, in this very case, bearish divergence always take 1 to 2 days approximately for the divergence to play out fully. So I am still expecting this market to still come back down, because if you look at this very area, this is about 1 day right at this very point, and I am still expecting this very divergence to see continue back to the downside, in as much as we are seeing this very RSI right here at the neutral level on the RSI. So it will still continue back down, maybe into the oversold condition. So this is what I am expecting, and pay attention to on the 4-hour chart BTC USDT. And on the 1-day chart ETH, if you look at it, market did not actually come into this level of resistance as I was talking about on the 1-day chart, but we see the market come into this level of 1580 at this very point. And if you look at the RSI, we see that the market has already overbought into this very area and is coming back down right now. This also indicates that the market needs to cool off back to the downside for the nice move to the upside again. So expect these markets to see come back down to the level of the $1,400 on ETH before the next move to the upside. But at this very point, this cool off can be in form of a ranging market, that is sideways consolidation, or it can be a retracement to the downside to this level of 1,400 as I'm talking about right now. So this is what you need to pay attention to on the ETH USDT 1-day chart. Markets should come back down in form of a retracement so that we can have a nice move to the upside for a nice uptrend. And on the ETH USDT 4-hour chart, the same divergence we see on the 4-hour chart BTC appear on ETH here as well, which means the market is going to come back to the downside. And bearish divergence indicate that the bulls are losing momentum and the market is going to come back down, and that is the exact same thing we are seeing right here. Why we see on the RSI coming back down and at a neutral level right now. So I am still expecting this bearish divergence to play out to the downside, while we see the markets on the RSI begin to move back into the oversold condition. On the immediate short term on ETH USDT 4-hour chart, expect this market to still come back down into this very area of $1,400 at this very point. This is my expectation on ETH USD 4-hour chart and also on the 1-day chart right at this point. So what do you think on the BTC USDT 1-day chart at this very area? Do you think this market is going to come back down, or do you think we're going to see the market move up a little bit, maybe have a spike to the upside before the main retracement to the downside? What do you think? Comment below in the comment section of this very video. And if you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for other educational content. Leave a like and don't forget to share this video. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.